capturing the essence of the city in real time with CUN photography. Learn the ins and outs of urban street photography, from finding the perfect locations to mastering your shutter speed and f-stop. Plus, discover the business side of photography and how to provide top-notch service. Street photography, city life, urban scenes, and photography tips. Keep this in mind when shooting and using your shutter speed. For slow moving subjects, shutter speed should be 160. For fasting moving subjects, shutter speed should be between 125 to 250. Understand that. And also for bright conditions, for a brighty sunny day, you want to keep your you want to keep your ISO between 400 and lower. And for dark conditions, you want to raise it no more between 8 to 1200, max 16, but I would roughly between 800 12. You don't want to go no higher, because then certain cameras don't provide a great high quality for noise reduction. So if you have a camera that has high noise reduction, you want to keep your ISO low as possible. And for more advanced cameras with a great noise reduction, then you have nothing to worry about. But I would still highly recommend to keep your ISO low as possible to prevent any damage to the photo of anything being ruined and got a terrible ruin of noise in the photo. So think about that before shooting and plan your shot out before shooting. It's okay to just randomly shoot, but you also want to capture and observe and study your subject. Keep in mind, the person is only in front of the camera, but once you look in between that lens, that is your subject. That is a human being in front of you, but that's your subject. It's just like when you're playing cards. Yeah, we friends, but this is the game right now. We ain't friends when we playing this game. We friends, but this is business. Keep that in mind. Also, be sure to share your feedback. With feedback, that helps both parties improve, whether it's positive or negative. With positive, we exceed with the great comments, but with negative, it helps us improve. So thank you. Share your honest feedback. Let us know your experiences, how you like the video, what do you advise, what you don't advise, what you like, what you don't like. And let's continue to grow great. Thank you for tuning in to CUN Swagger 305. It's a CUN thing, the CUN way.